name is Scott. I'm the marketing guy here at BPM Microsystems.
And I'm Colin Harper. I'm the Director of Sales and Product Management.
Yeah, so we're really excited that you guys were able to come. Today we're going to be looking at one of our newest systems, the 3901 automated programming system that BPM launched last year in October.
Yeah, the market has really responded favorably to the machine. You know, it's a price point at which we haven't had our full featured equipment in the past,
right.
And had a lot of momentum with the product, and really happy to introduce the machine to a lot more folks as well.
Well, I think one of the things we wanted to show was the job changeover. So,
right,
kind of real world. Right now, we've got this thing set up for one device. We want to change it over to another device, and I've got my phone over here to see how fast the sales guy can do it.
Yeah, so I don't do this every day, but realistically, less than 4 minutes. So what I'm going to do, again, we have a TSOP 48 package that's set up now.
Okay.
And we're going to change it over to a BGA 153.
All right.
And hopefully we can do that in less than 4 minutes, or I can. It's not a we, and we'll see what happens though.
All right, we'll see what you got.
Okay.
I'm starting you now.
Great, thanks Scott. So first thing I like to do is to remove the program devices from the machine. You can see we have a stationary tray installed.
Okay.
The next thing is to remove the pressure plate from site 1.
Okay.
And the pressure plate from site 2. And then simply remove the socket cards. And I'll talk a little bit more about socket cards in a minute, but you can see that our design is such that we have one socket per board. See, you're cheating, Scott, you're helping me.
Oh, come on, everybody needs an assistant.
Okay, well thanks.
Well, you know, one thing I'm noticing, Colin, is you're just using your hands. There's no tools involved in the changeover?
Yeah, ease of operation is the whole goal here.
Okay.
Some of our competitors' machines, you do have to have tooling to change over. It just takes a lot more time. So I've removed the TSOP 48 devices, and now I'm going to repeat or reverse the process with the BGA 153.
Okay.
So A, B, C, and D. In fact, this is a good moment to stop and look at the socket card itself. I mentioned we have, in general, one socket per daughter card. There's a couple of advantages here. Number one, if you're doing first articles, you can buy one simple socket card instead of an entire large, more expensive gang board.
Okay.
Most of our competitors use one baseboard and they attach their sockets to those baseboards. And in this case, this type of socket has a mechanical connection, so that as they wear, and all sockets wear out over time, the customer can simply replace the socket. The other thing is fault tolerance. By having individual socket boards, you know, we basically, if one does go bad, unlike maybe a gang card where you have a trace, and if you're sharing circuits, you might have a problem where you have to replace the entire socket board.
Gotcha.
So there's a lot of positives, we believe, for that. So
all right, now you cut into your time.
I am doing too much talking, not enough setting up, am I? So we'll see.
Well,
what did I say? 4 minutes? Maybe I should have said
sales guy,
5. Yeah, too much talking. Huh? A, B, C, and D.
Okay. Yeah, so, but it's not a sprint.
So again, reverse the process. Line up the T-posts. I like to do a little tug just to make sure they're installed properly. Okay, so sockets are installed, and now carefully, I think I dropped these one time during our training here, Scott.
I recall
Place the devices ever so gently on the tray, and shut the lid.
Okay.
So what's the time?
We're looking at, hold on, let's switch over to this camera over here. And 3 minutes.
3 minutes.
Right on the dot.
Wow.
Nice job.
Amazing.
Nice job.
You would think I did this every day.
Okay, all right, so that's a job. That was a job changeover. Now, how about?
And let me put this in context,
yep.
Scott. You know, we have most of our customers, who are programming just in time,
Right.
they have several devices they'll program throughout the shift.
Okay.
Because they're providing parts, again, just in time to their manufacturing line. And so you can see there's almost no downtime. Now you do have to set up and teach the job the first time, and Whisper Teach is a big part of that, which we'll demo in a few minutes.
Okay.
But it really is easy to change over, very little downtime. So that's a big advantage for the BPM equipment.